Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the TwistedBrush Sketchbook system. TwistedBrush operates much like a real sketchbook. When you start the program, it is like opening your sketchbook. It is immediately ready for you to work on your page. When you are done with a page you turn to the next page, and you never need to manually save your work. But yes, make sure that you start every project on a new, empty page. All your projects are kept in the Page Explorer, which you can open from this icon. The different pages are organized in books. Each book contains up to 5,000 separate pages. You can add a new book by clicking on the first icon under the menu file or by selecting the menu Book, New Book. Here you have two more options: to clear a book, which will delete all the filled pages in the selected book, or to delete a book. This action will remove the whole book with all its pages from the list. If you need to delete a page, you can do it from the Page menu, Delete Selected Pages. You can select more than one page by pressing and holding the Control button. On the Page menu, you have also the option to move a page forward, backward or to the first position in the book. With these two icons on the menu bar, you can move to the previous and the next book in your library. With the icons between them you can move to the previous and next page in your current book. To switch pages in your book, you can also use the page up and page down keys. Your current book number and page number are displayed on the title bar.